Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix the problem of date of birth on Spotify. If that sounds helpful to you, then stick till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications because we upload videos similar to this regularly, so make sure that you are notified every time we post. So the first thing you need to do is log into your account. Now you would normally change your date of birth from going to the account section and then you click on edit profile. From here you can easily change the date of birth on Spotify, but if you are facing a problem, one thing that you can try out is try to log out of your account and try to log in again. These kind of simple problems occurs due to some type of bug in the system. This problem also occurs if you try to change your date of birth multiple times in a day. So if you have changed your date of birth multiple times in a day, you may face this problem. Now if you did do that, try to change the date of birth in the next day and avoid changing it in the same day. You can also try changing your date of birth using the mobile device. That could also help out in changing your date of birth on Spotify. Those were some of the things that you can try out if you are facing this problem. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and we will be soon back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.